This is Johnny. My previous Delta Studios channel was lost ultimately because I had to get rid of my Gmail account. I was getting multiple spam messages from all over, from different things, from companies trying to sell me, to perverted spam, to even scams that if you open up the message, it would give your computer a virus. And over a period of time, I just kept deleting all of them. Yet they would come back again and again. And then my Facebook was hacked. So, because of that reason, I felt the need to just delete my Gmail. And it turns out that all of my YouTube data went with it. So, and I wasn't very big. I had 49 subscribers. I would love to get them back. I have some better security features and better passwords. These passwords, I don't even think a machine could figure them out. So, but I wanted to mention that a couple of my viewers had stated in the comments that my Hankscraft vaporizer videos had the best sound on YouTube. And I'd like to thank you for that. That was touching and it made me feel good. I'm going to remake everything and repost many videos that I had before. But I had many humidifier videos and I had many electronic project videos. I love tinkering with electronics on breadboards and building small circuits and things like that. And I intend to remake and re-upload a lot of those as well. Of course they're going to be different because I ignorantly did not save my videos to the computer. Of course, after uploading, I would just delete them from my PC. However, this time, I'm going to save all of them as sort of a backup just in case. So, this humidifier, I have added a switch so that you don't have to keep unplugging and plugging it in. All you do is flip the switch to turn it on. I've added a night light. It has its own original motor. It's very clean. I purchased it on eBay some time ago for about $83. And it has the original H stamp. It was Hankscraft before Gerber acquired it, I believe. But this particular model was made, I believe, in about 1973. I know that Gerber acquired Hankscraft, or sort of partnered with them during the 70s. I'm not sure when. This is not the original design. This design of humidifier existed long before Hankscraft put their name into these. I just don't know the brand name that came before that in the 50s and 60s. It's a very old design, but in my opinion it's the best. The very best And I've had this, and I've maintained it, and I've kept it clean, and I've spiced it up, and it's getting to be September now, which means the end of September is coming up, and that's when things start to cool down and it becomes very dry. And it's going to be very dry over the winter time. This is Colorado, so it gets very dry here during the winter months. And I'll be breaking this out to use almost daily and at night. I breathe better with a small amount of humidity in the house. I don't like it very humid, especially when it's hot outside. It feels much worse. Heat, I think morning heat and noon heat is much worse than the heat of the afternoon, because in the morning and before noon is when it's the most humid. So the heat of that time of day feels more like being steamed. But the dry heat of the afternoon is much more bearable in my opinion. I had a 10-hour video of this humidifier operating and its sound. I do intend to remake that. So please stick around, and if you know who I was, please subscribe again, and we'll get these back up. Thank you for watching.